capability to do all your events. So that's like a little bit of head. So next up we're doing, we've got a little cap. So we're going to go ahead, actually set a bunch of these flat ones, so they're going to go in a little bit. I'm going to do this a little bit away. Maybe go ahead and just rip it out. I'm just hard to go. There's not really a need for that. I'm saying that's why I'm not really doing that particular route with these. But I'm going to go ahead and just drill a hole in there. Whole side build, of course, going to be on both sides of your unit. You have to use the 5/16, same size ones, going for all the other stuff. So I'm trying to use that. Probably like a inch, and a really dark screen. So those are two things. You'll run, keep in mind, make sure your screen's too strong. Then you're going to pull that, so you can tell right here. That's up by the hinge. So I've got to figure something out the hinge for you. Keep on using that, otherwise I have to. Kind of defeats the purpose of the I think. So that's the other thing. That's also the reason why I have to change everything. That's really strong. So go ahead and do these full drilling.
Alright, there we go. Got it made, got the tools in there. That'll free up my pegboard that really wasn't made for it and wasn't working well. The tools were not easily accessible, easy to put away. Now I can use them. Grab a pair of tongs, use it. Even while I'm still doing it, it's right there. Ball peen hammer, easy to get at. Claw hammer. Don't intend to really use this that much. Probably not going to be staying in here since I get a hammer that'll replace it. Go away. Typical forging hammer. This one is a just over a 2-pound hammer. And this is my 5-pound hammer on this, if I remember right. It's 4 or 5 pounds. So it's my heavy hammer, it's my medium hammer, and I've got my small ball peen right here. It should work. We'll have to see how it goes while I'm actually using it, but how it is, man. Got that, turning that up. Got places for plenty of tongs. Worst case on this is really going to make a good spot for all the tongs because of how easy it is for tongs to set up. So it gives me a spot for setting the tools. Comes over, so when I get my treadle hammer worked out, that's not going to be so much of an issue. But there we go, getting her done.